Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Seat Leon 1.4 EcoTSI FR Technology, a dynamic hatchback blending sporty design with everyday practicality. The aerodynamic body lines, 17 alloy wheels, and gloss black mirror caps enhance the car's sporty appeal. The electric folding mirrors and sleek 5-door design add practicality for city and motorway driving. At the rear, the Leon FR boasts stylish LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and rear parking sensors for effortless maneuvering. The sporty rear bumper completes the dynamic look. Powered by a 1.4-liter EcoTSI petrol engine, the Leon delivers an exciting yet efficient drive. The turbocharged powertrain provides a responsive performance, while the stop-start system ensures fuel efficiency. The Leon FR features a bold honeycomb grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted front bumper, giving it an aggressive road presence. Step inside to experience a driver-focused half-leather cloth interior with a flat-bottom steering wheel for a sporty touch. The infotainment system features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth and DAB radio, ensuring seamless connectivity. The navigation system and cruise control make long drives effortless. The spacious rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort for passengers, making every journey enjoyable. The split folding seat option adds extra versatility. With a generous boot space, the Leon FR provides practicality for everyday errands and road trips. The split folding rear seats offer additional cargo flexibility. Contact for more details. Visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration NJ18WUT to book a test drive or request a video tour.